Things how a $150,000 healthcare recovery plan faced backlash at the Paradise Town Council meeting last night. Action News Now reporter Bea Barbosa joins us now live from the Paradise Town Hall. And Bea, council members and residents alike shared frustration over this highly anticipated plan.
Yes, Alan, last night, consultants from Abaris Group, a healthcare consulting firm hired by the town, presented the third draft for the Strategic Healthcare Recovery Plan. Afterward, members of the council pointed out inaccurate information in the plan, including the number of kids in the Paradise Unified School District being off by thousands. Rather than accepting the plan, disappointed council members voted unanimously to table the issue for now, as they consider asking for another draft. I spoke with Paradise Mayor Steve Crowder about what went into the decision to table this recovery plan and what he would want to see in a fourth draft.
Well, I mean, there were actionable items, 0 to 5 years and that. There was that, but there's no direction of, how we would implement them. And that's what we need is how do we begin the implementation process? And, because we aren't healthcare experts. And that's why we reached out. So basically what we're looking for is a playbook that will get us more healthcare up here.
Crowder also says he was disappointed to hear the consultants did not think a hospital in the town is feasible yet, but that he hoped they would be able to provide directions on how they could go about increasing ambulance and urgent care options. I reached out to Bill Bullard, the president of Abaris Group, regarding the concerns over last night's presentation, but he referred me to Colette Curtis, the Paradise Recovery and Economic Development Director. Curtis says they're reviewing the report to investigate concerns about data. She says there are only 2 items of concern, though. From her initial assessment, the data included in the report comes from valid source data, so she will be looking into why there is a disconnect. Curtis also says there is no timeline for the next draft yet, but she expects to have an update for the council at the November meeting. And I know we received a call from a viewer today asking if these efforts will impact those in Magalia as well. Crowder tells me that he thinks increased services in Paradise will benefit more than just those living in the town of Paradise. He says more facilities and services here would take off some of the burden that Enloe Health faces, as it is one of the only hospitals that is still open in the area. Reporting live in Paradise, Bea Barbosa, Action News Now.
Thanks, Bea. Now, the plan cost $150,000, $75,000 coming from the town's general fund, the other $75,000 coming from the Adventist Health Feather River Foundation, a charitable organization. Mayor Crowder says the consultants have been paid part of the $150,000 and will receive the rest once the plan is accepted.